online shoppers, before you click buy now on Brooke Toronto, listen up. I've seen a ton of chatter about whether Brooke Toronto or Brooke and Adam is actually legit, or if it's just another online scam. Here's the quick take. The real Brooke and Adam is a legit business. They have real products, real customers, and a genuine online presence. But, and it's a big but, scammers are out there, copying their ads and even building fake websites that look almost identical to the real thing. So how do you spot a scam? First, always double-check the website URL. The official Brooke and Adam site is the only safe place to shop. If you land on a page that feels off, trust your gut. Look for spelling mistakes, weird payment methods, or anything that doesn't match the official info. The real company has even posted warnings. Scammers have cloned their pages to trick shoppers. If you see an ad or a deal that seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you think you've been targeted, act fast. Contact your bank right away and dispute any suspicious charges. And don't forget, report those fake ads on social media so others don't get caught too. If you want to buy from Brooke Toronto, make sure you're on the real verified site. Never give out your info unless you're absolutely sure. Stay smart, shop safe, and remember, a little caution online can save you a ton of trouble. If this helped, hit subscribe for more honest shopping tips.